Setting up new devices at a branch level is a major challenge when the device is sealed and does not have an IP address and login details. The problem is compounded when there are devices from different OEMs going out to multiple locations, because now someone has to physically set up all these devices at these locations. Manual configuration could also result in non-compliant configuration, and changes post-deployment could result in the network becoming vulnerable. Some companies try to handle this by first bringing all the devices to a central location, configuring them before sending them out to the field. This, however, elongates deployment times and costs a lot of money. Initially, this problem was brought to us by one of the defense agencies, which had devices of various generations from more than 8 different OEMs. They had strong compliance requirements and challenges of ensuring that a device configuration does not get changed at the field level. After we successfully executed the project for this customer, they were able to configure all devices from a central location, handle change management, and ensure that no one at the field level could change the configurations. The success of this project led us to a global telecom company. This company had a major process where a new network device was sent to a central location of a vendor. Here it was unboxed, configured, repacked, and sent to the field for deployment. We have built a solution combining the strengths of IBM TNCM and the ZTP protocol to configure raw devices at the field level with just access to the MAC address. We will now show you how we go about it. In our setup over here, you will see the Cisco router model 4321 and Cisco switch model 3850. Let us see the router configuration, which is just taken out of the box. Let us now see the switch configuration where we would attach the router. Now we will execute the write erase command to reset the configuration and reload to restart the router. We will now run ZTP, DHCP, and assign an IP address, login credential to the router. Now we will show you how the communication between the router and TNCM takes place and how the router is configured by TNCM. You can now see the difference from the old configuration and the new one. You will notice that we have executed the whole process by just taking a raw router out of the box and got it ready for your deployment at site without any manual configuration. Now that we have shown the ZTP with DHCP and TNCM live, we are confident we could execute this solution across different product lines for you. So when do you think we can take the next steps towards the POC?